Okay, we're back for part 2 out of 3 of the Japan tax-free haul. So, itong remaining 2 bags are what I got from Osaka na kasi after Tokyo, we went to Osaka. So, sabi ko, doon ako sa Osaka mag-shopping ng more para hindi ganun kabigat when we ride the Shinkansen, the bullet train. Let's start. So, these are more on the pasalubongs. Pasalubong for the house, a Japanese knife, which I know they will be happy about. And then pasalubong for the house also are these almonds. I got 3 of those. This macadamia chocolate. I got 3 of those also because I know they will like this. And then we have this gummies for my sister because she likes this. This is gummies for me because I like that. That's my favorite. More chocolates for the house. Oh, see? It's the same one of the eye cream that I got in part 1. Oh my gosh. And then this one, gummies for my niece. This is peach. She likes strawberry, but I'll just give her the peach. And then the eye drops, which I use every day sa office. And then this finger guard for my mom for when she cooks. Natin yung susugat yung self niya sa knife. So, since I got her a new knife, we gotta give her a finger guard. Wala, iba lagi to. It's different. I thought I bought the same thing. We'll see. It's a can make cheek tint. I bought a bunch of these the last time I went to Osaka and then I bought again because it's so perfect, because it's so tiny. It can fit your small bags. And I also gave one to my brother and to my sister and they really like it kasi aside from it tastes good, it's so small kasi. So what is it? It's this mint candies. See how tiny it is. It fits your small bags. So I bought a bunch. So ipapamigay ko yan. Now, we move on to 3 of 3. Last na yun. Bye!